Frequent flyer flies, la 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 la. Frequent fly is back.
What's up? You checking out the Frequent Flyer? Welcome back to the channel. Smash the like button to show your support. If you're new to the channel, I like to extend the warmest welcome. So I'm out here at the field I like to fly at. I got my Su27 XK A100. It might as well be, but this is the Vevor version of the XK A100, and I have a larger battery in here. This battery is pretty large. This is an 800 milliamp hour, and I was curious to see how this would act with that, and I want to see if I can go in Acro mode with this little guy. The battery fits in there, but there's actually no room for the pigtail, the battery lead, so I'm just gonna have it sticking out. Oops, I still got this darn plane on. I have to turn this plane off. Maybe it'll bind to my other plane. I was just flying this little red Baron here, and so let's see if I can get this little A100 bound. Let's see, we're gonna turn it off, turn it back on. We're gonna go here, go to bind. It doesn't bind automatically for some reason. So let's see if this guy will fly with this larger battery. Oh, I do have some larger motors on here now. I have some 8.5 millimeter motors. So let's see if it'll fly. Yep, it's doing the high alpha that it always does when you first take off with it. Starting to straighten out a little now. Yeah, I can feel the weight. I can see the weight. But it's flying though. Let's see if I can do some Acro stuff. Yes, I can. Check it out. I'm gonna try to dive and then I was able to pull it off. But it couldn't stop I couldn't stop the crash. Let me go get it. Go grab it, grab it, grab it. That might be the end of the flight, guys, because I'm thinking that prop probably came off because we hit the ground with the motor smoking, trying to give it some throttle to pull out of that, and we were unsuccessful. Oh, look at that, the props are still on. So my little reflex is pretty good, I guess. My little reflex to turn the motors off when once I hit the ground, that is. So let's see if the props aren't too busted up to fly again. Gotta wait for it to straighten out. Okay. Seems like it has straightened out. Okay, let's see if we can get a roll. Yep. Get a roll going towards us. This little plane is awesome. I love it. Let's see if I can just fly it in Acro mode. I'm going to put it in Acro mode. We're in Acro now. And it's flying nice in Acro mode. Check it out, y'all. Flying it in Acro. I can do whatever. I can roll. It's flying a little heavy because of that bigger battery, but it's in manual mode though. Flying this guy in manual mode. Check it out. I can do a loop if I want, I think. Whoa. Was barely able to pull out of it. I'm still in manual mode though. Let me come out of manual mode. Yeah, so when I get a lighter battery back in here, I'm definitely going to fly this little guy in manual mode. It seems dialed in. It doesn't want to fly upwards or anything like that. Everything seems to be trimmed out for manual mode. Back in manual mode now for a roll. Oh! And we crashed and burned. I couldn't bring it back out of it. I should have threw it back in the gyro assisted mode to save it, but I didn't. And I think I'm going to end the flight right there. The battery seems a little too heavy for it. It probably makes the plane a little nose heavy, and maybe that's the reason why it's flying so dialed in manual mode. I don't know. Let me see. I'm curious to throw it back up. I'm going to throw it back in the air one more time and be late for work. Yeah, I'm at full throttle right now to keep it up in the air. The battery is a little too heavy for it. I love this plane. Okay, let me bring it for a nice landing. Bring it back around. Can I bring it back around? Because this battery is really draining it. Let me land over here. Oh, overshot my landing. Or did I just want to keep this guy in the air a little more? This is an awesome little flyer. Okay, let's land it. Right over here with the red bearing. The Vevor A100 Su27 in Acro mode or manual mode with the battery lead sticking out with a, I believe this is a 600 milliamp hour battery, and I got some 8.5 millimeter motors on there, stock props. Let me pull this battery out to make sure that this battery is, oh, this is an 800 milliamp hour battery. So I had a 800 milliamp hour battery in here, flying it, dragging it, weighing it down. And it still flew awesome. Thanks for watching.